Show him your balloons. Show Max your balloons. Who's on your balloons, buddy? Oh, are they stuck on your hand? Oh, there you go. Did you show Max your balloons? Show Max the blue balloon.
Daddy?
Yeah, tractor. And Thomas.
I'll buy Daddy.
You want Thomas?
Daddy.
You're gonna show Thomas to Max. Here, look. Show Max Thomas. You show it to Max? Ah. Oh, nice. Hey, look, Max. Oh, it's a choo-choo, huh?
Choo-choo?
Yeah.
Baby? No, choo-choo?
You showing the baby the choo-choo. Thank you.
Oh, baby.
Oh, baby.
Blue. What?
Red. And what's the other color? What's this one? What color is this?
No.
Color.